have to go this far, and I'm pretty hurt myself. I love my kids, and I just didn't want this to happen like this.
Breaking news, guilty of assault, not guilty of involuntary manslaughter. Both families in disbelief over the jury's decision, and it was a complicated one. Thanks for joining us first at 4. I'm Nicole Versansky. The verdict is in for those Akron brothers accused in the death of Ethan Liming.
I'm Brian Duffy. The jury handed down their decision just about an hour ago. 19's
Harry Boomer live at the courthouse now, continuing our coverage. Harry, so walk us through, again, this verdict, a complicated one. Walk us through exactly what the jury decided.
Well, the jury decided that these guys were guilty of some stuff and not guilty of other stuff. Deshaun Stafford and his brother Tyler found out today what the jury of their peers think about their role in the death of Ethan Liming. The jury came back with a unanimous decision after considering charges against the brothers of involuntary manslaughter and assault. Members of Ethan Liming's family were visibly shaken as Judge Tammy O'Brien read the verdicts. After the court adjourned, I spoke with Deshaun Stafford Sr. He was not completely satisfied with the verdicts.
This is a tragedy thing that happened. I wish it had never happened. Now I have to feel like my son's going to go away from me for a long time for something that it could have been avoided. I'm sorry it happened to the family. You know, I wish the best for us all to get over this and we be able to come to some kind of agreement that we can work this out as far as this. This didn't have to go this far. And I'm pretty hurt myself. I love my kids, and I just didn't want this to happen like this.
And we learned the jury made its decision on all but one count on Friday. When we went home over the weekend, came back today, they were unable to reach a decision today on the involuntary manslaughter, and that became a mistrial according to Judge O'Brien. The Liming family defense attorney played the race card by blaming media for making this a race issue. The jury was made up of 5 white men, 5 white women, 1 black female, and 1 black male. And again, it was a unanimous decision all the way across the board, even the mistrial verdict. In downtown Akron, I'm Harry Boomer, 19 News.